front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, just open Devices settings and click on Connected Devices. Then tap on Power New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Last but not least, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear icon, this one, next to the device. Choose Forget next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!